Hello, I'm Morgan, and today we're here with.
I'm Peyton,
I'm Abby.
and we're co-electrical leads.
So, what have you guys done this week?
This week we've been working with pneumatics and wiring BetaBot for Sussex next weekend.
Have you had any problems?
Not really, but working with pneumatics this season is brand new for us, so it's been a struggle learning about that this week.
And what's something that's been working well?
I would say working well is wiring the robot and working together as a team.
What are you most excited for this season?
We're most excited for the competitions and the bonds that we'll build.
And finally, what are your season predictions?
Any kind of blue banner, like robot, whatever, any kind of blue banner.
Blue banner!
Thank you, Peyton and Abby, for being here today, and thank you, sponsors, for making this all possible.